Mastering the art of face mask creation. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very timely and practical topic, face mask tutorials. In this video, we'll explore what this phrase means, break down the steps to create your own face mask, and provide tips to make the process as easy as possible. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your skills, this guide is for you. Let's get started. The phrase, face mask tutorial, refers to a step-by-step guide aimed at teaching viewers how to create their own face masks. Given the current global emphasis on health and safety, knowing how to make your own face mask is both a valuable skill and a way to ensure you always have protection when you need it. Tutorials can range from simple, no-sew methods using household materials to more complex sewing techniques for those with more experience. Before diving into the tutorial, it's important to know what materials you'll need. For a basic face mask, you will need fabric. Cotton is a popular choice due to its breathability and ease of washing. Elastic bands or ties. These are used to secure the mask to your face. Sewing supplies. If you're sewing your mask, you'll need thread, needles, or a sewing machine. Pattern. A template of the mask shape that you'll cut the fabric to. We'll also discuss alternative materials for those who may not have these items readily available. In this section, we'll walk through the process of making a basic sewn mask and a no-sew mask. We'll start with selecting your fabric, cutting it according to the pattern, and then move on to either sewing or assembling the pieces with alternative methods like knots or fabric glue. Attention to detail is crucial here to ensure your mask is effective and comfortable. Making the mask is one thing, but ensuring it's effective is another. Here, we'll cover key points like ensuring a snug fit, proper coverage of your nose and mouth, and maintaining your mask. We'll also discuss the importance of washing your mask regularly and how to properly do so without damaging it. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of making your own face masks. Remember, practicing safety and precaution is key in these times, and being able to create your own mask is a valuable skill. Thank you for watching, and please stay safe and healthy out there. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.